Good morning, students. Today in SST we will go through the same chapter, that is chapter 5, the layers of the earth. Now students, you have already done your short question answers, exercises you have done in your books, and short question answers in your SST fair copy. Today we will go through the detailed question answers, that is the long question answers. There are 3 question answers in chapter 5, detailed question answers. So one by one I'll explain it to you about atmosphere and other question answers are there. So I will go through it and I'll explain you. And students, don't ask for marks of the class test again and again. When time will come, we will just send it in the group and you can see it. Okay? I have already sent you the reading test one, and those who had not given the reading test, it was blank. And those who had given it, so they had got the marks. So in class test also, those who have given it, their names only will be shown. And today we will go through the detailed question answers. I'll explain it to you. So let's get started. So students, you have already done the short question answer. That were 4 question answers. The first one was mention the 3 parts of the earth. Then it was what is the basic component of biosphere. Then what is environment. Then list the realms of the earth. Now answer the following question in detail. So first one is explain the features of the atmosphere. Means what are the characters of the atmosphere? What are the points? So it is the layer where the various gases which are essential, which is very, very much necessary for life, exist. Our atmosphere absorbs the harmful ultraviolet radiation of the sun. They just absorb it. Whatever harmful radiations comes, they absorb it. It keeps the earth warm and saves us from extreme variation between day and night temperature. Because sometimes the temperature is very, very extreme in day also and in night also. So it saves us from all these things, the atmosphere. So what is it? It is the layer where the various gases which are essential for life exist. Our atmosphere absorbs the harmful ultraviolet radiation of the sun. It keeps the earth warm and saves us from extreme variation. That means changes between day and night temperatures. Then how has biosphere brought about changes in the other 2 spheres? How has it brought changes? So biosphere is smaller than the other spheres. We all know that it is smaller than the other spheres like lithosphere, hydrosphere and exosphere. But yet it has brought changes in other spheres. The present atmosphere, for example, is a result of the chemical activities carried out by the living beings. Whatever living beings carry out their activities, so the chemical activities which is present, it is because of that only. So the fossil fuel in the lithosphere is formed by the decomposition of the dead organism. Whatever dead organism is decomposed, it is in the earth's layer. So what does it form? It forms fossil fuel, and from that we get all the diesel, petrol, crude oil, we get it. Now third question, how was oxygen created in the atmosphere? Means how was oxygen created? How was oxygen born? Earlier oxygen was absent from our atmosphere. You must know this point, that earlier oxygen was not in the atmosphere, it was absent. As soon as the microorganisms such as viruses and bacteria evolved, means it came into existence, viruses and bacteria, they started converting carbon dioxide into oxygen, giving the present composition to our atmosphere. Understood? See this dot, it is nothing, okay? So don't put this dot if you write the answer. Earlier oxygen was absent from our atmosphere. As soon as the microorganism, the viruses and bacteria are called microorganism, which we can't see it directly. So such as viruses and bacteria evolved, it came into existence. and they started changing carbon dioxide into oxygen, giving the present composition to our atmosphere. So students, these are the 3 question answers. Explain the features of the atmosphere. How has biosphere brought about changes in the other 2 spheres? And how was oxygen created in the atmosphere? All these 3 question answers you will do it in your SST copy, fair copy. You have done your short question answers, and if you have space you can do it there only. Otherwise on the next page you can do the other 3 question answer, detailed question answer, and show it to me in the group. Okay, and question you will write with black pen and answer with blue pen. Okay, and write it neatly and show. Don't hurry up and show it. Don't write bad handwriting. Write it neatly and then you show it. Okay, thank you.